Hi guys, Don again, cooking with the brown chef. Today I'm gonna make a incharri. It's originated in Italy. So first of all I'm gonna show you what are the ingredients I need. Any kind of bread. I like sourdough, so there is a 2 pieces of sourdough, salt, pepper, 2 tablespoon of lemon juice, and basil. Basil's there, and 1 avocado, a red onion, and tomato. So first of all, what I'm gonna do, I butter the bread and I'm gonna put it into the toaster. So once it's done, so I'll be ready to go with it. With this dish, the most important thing is you're not gonna use the fire, you're not gonna use the cooker. So it's very easy, and it's an appetizer, but it's up to you guys. You can have for dinner or breakfast or lunch, whatever. So I'm gonna butter the bread, both sides. Then I'm gonna put in my toaster. So let it leave there for 1 minute each side, and then I'm gonna get ready with my bruschetta filling. So I'm gonna use 3 leaves of basil, because I'm not much fan of basil leaves, but it's up to you if you want to put more. If you like that, that strong flavor, you can use much more basil. And so I'm gonna chop them up first. Chop them finely, very finely, and you're gonna put in the bowl and get the half avocado. And you make sure you cut into the small dices. You get that avocado and you just place in the bowl. And then you're gonna get some half of tomato, cut into the dice. And you guys, make sure get off the core off, and make sure you get the seeds off. If you leave the seeds up there, it's gonna be watery. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the seeds off from the tomato. So it gives the more flavor, more taste of the tomato rather than the taste of the water. So I'm gonna cut into the small dices. And put in there. You cut in the onion. Yeah. And you cut them chop them. Put it there. And some salt and pepper. Make sure you give the flavor. And 2 spoons of lemon juice, and you're gonna put some touch of olive oil. And okay, now sorry, my toast is ready now, so I'm gonna pick them up and bring it up here. So that's done, nice and crunchy. I'm gonna mix them thoroughly. And easy. If you can a little bit squash the avocado, that would be great. And later on you're gonna place them nicely. So that's how we plate it up. Later on you can garnish by yourself by using Italian glaze. And this is the final product, this is the final dish, that's how we finalize it. And I'm gonna taste the bruschetta, Italian appetizer, so we'll see how it goes. It should be nice. Yeah. Wow, it's really nice. You don't have to use the burners. It's nice and easy. You just need the chopping board and knife. So thanks for watching me. Please do subscribe me, Cooking with the Brown Chef, and I'm gonna see you with another video.